Sometimes I have to wait, and that's okay. I can wait, yes I can. Waiting is part of the plan. I stay calm, I stay kind. Waiting helps my growing mind. Stand in line, 1, 2, 3. Soon it will be my turn. See, hands are still, feet don't run. Waiting time can still be fun. I can wait, yes I can. Waiting is part of the plan. Friend is playing, that's okay. I will have my turn to play. I can watch, I can smile. I can wait a little while. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Take a breath, slow and deep. Clap your hands, soft and slow. Now it's time, my turn to go. I can wait.